Hello everyone, here we are on a Sunday morning, the 26th of January 2020. It is about 11 o'clock in the morning and we're flying around the house on Clearview Road again. I don't think anything changed since yesterday, but I had the drone out and just thought I'd circle around, see what's going on. Temperatures are in the mid-30s, a little breezy today. Winds are about 5 or 7 mile an hour, some gusting up to maybe 10. Every now and then you see a little camera shake, and that's from being a windy day today. Other than that, things went pretty good. Nice and sunny. Pretty nice day for flying. The usual, go down in the comment section and click on the previous video to see what happened between yesterday and today. Have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.